Hey everybody, Luminous Time here. Welcome to another video. For today's video, we're going to be unboxing Apple's Magic Keyboard. Cue the intro. So after weeks of waiting, the Magic Keyboard is finally here and we're going to be unboxing it. Guys, I apologize for being super late to this unboxing. As we all know, Apple did release this case a lot earlier, and by the time that I found out that it was releasing earlier, it was just too late to pre-order it. So I did get my order in and I had to wait a few weeks for it, but this thing is finally here and we're going to be unboxing it. This is gonna be a super quick video, so let's get this thing open and see what's inside. All right, so now let's get this guy open. So I'm gonna need to get my trusty little knife here, pull this guy over, and the case should slide right out. I am super duper excited for this case. As we guys can see, the case is right here in its plastic lining. Let's get rid of this box here. But oh my gosh, I am so excited about this case. Let's get it open. All right, there's gonna be a pull tab right over here. I know everybody likes to hear that sound. Yeah, wasn't all that cool, but let's get this guy open and reveal this case in all its beauty. This case is kind of heavy. This packaging is pretty heavy, so let's get in and wow. Well, my first impressions are this is a beefy case. I am not gonna lie about that. This case is very heavy, but wow, this thing feels awesome. Keys are nice. That's pretty awesome. Let's see what else comes in here. As we guys can see, designed by Apple in California. If it would focus, oh well. The star is already in the shot, so I guess it's not gonna focus. Let's move this out of the way. Maybe it'll show up now. As we can see, designed by Apple in California. Basically just gonna have the booklets showing all the information. And who cares about that? Let's see, and should be some Apple stickers in here. Again, just some more booklets. Nobody cares. Where are the Apple stickers? There should be some Apple stickers. Well, there are no Apple stickers seemingly, so I tend to give those away, but there aren't any. So, but first impressions on the case. This case is heavy. It's nice and beefy. It's made of that regular leather material that these folio cases are made of. So this case is probably going to be a fingerprint magnet, but it's very nice and heavy and it's pretty nice. So we're going to go back up top and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on my iPad Pro. Stay tuned. Okay, welcome back. That unboxing was pretty rough. I'm still kind of figuring out how to record overhead in this new studio. So let's show you guys how the Magic Keyboard looks on my iPad. Again, I have the 2018 iPad Pro, so we're gonna have that notch, which I think looks pretty cool, but I don't have the 2020 iPad Pro, but this is gonna be compatible with both models. So let's show you guys how it looks. So previously on my iPad, I had the old keyboard, and I did have a retro logo Apple skin on there. So I am gonna miss my skin. Hopefully Slick Wraps has a skin out very soon. But let's show you guys what it looks like. Again, this is gonna be the old keyboard. So now I'm gonna show you what the iPad looks on the brand new Magic Keyboard. Again, just like the old keyboard, the new keyboard is gonna attach magnetically and it's gonna use Apple's smart connector to work. So you're not gonna really need to charge it or anything like that. I just activated Siri, but So here is the new keyboard on my iPad Pro. This is a very heavy setup, and but wow, this case is awesome sauce. I am really enjoying how it feels. The key travel is amazing, guys. It feels a world's better. Again, this is gonna be stuff that I cover in the full review. This is kind of just my first impressions. But again, guys, this is a very heavy case. It's pretty much in MacBook range, but this is exactly how it's gonna look. This is gonna be the cutout like I told you before. But guys, the case is very nice, very sturdy. The magnets seem to be very strong. And again, it just attaches via Apple's smart connector. I'll go over more of that in the full review. It's a little bit beefier than the old case, but yeah, this is pretty nice. It's pretty awesome. And I think I'm gonna really enjoy this case. I am kind of sad that you just can't go into book mode, but that is something that I will get over really quickly. But you know, there you guys have it. This has been an unboxing of Apple's Magic Keyboard. If you guys did like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell notification so you don't miss any videos. Also guys, the review for this guy is going to be coming up very, very soon. Stay tuned, guys. Again, I'm sorry for being super late. Again, I just wasn't able to pre-order it due to it releasing a lot earlier than I knew of, and I just wasn't really paying attention. But it is here now, so I am going to be doing a ton of more content on this case. Hopefully, I'm able to get a skin for it very soon because it is made of that same material that's a fingerprint magnet. Apple, please stop using that material. But there you guys have it. This is Lumana's time. This is the Magic Keyboard, and we're out. Peace.